Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Elementor editor not working and showing critical error in website in WordPress. Now you see there has been critical error on this website, so we are going to fix it and we are using Elementor theme and plugin. Again open it. Again you see error. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So Elementor editor not opening and working. Now go to dashboard. Mostly this issue occurred due to plugin. So we are using plugin Elementor Pro. Now you see plugin, so click on it. So we are in plugin. Now you see Elementor update and then you see Elementor Pro version 3.15.1. So that's why Elementor editor not working. So we are going to fix it by updating plugin. So we are going to replace it. So click on add plugin and we are going to upload new plugin Elementor Pro. Upload plugin, choose file, so click on it. So we have Elementor Pro 3.30. Now select and then click on install now. Now you see plugin upload. So this is our current plugin 3.15.1 and this is our uploaded new plugin 3.30 and then you see replace current with uploaded. So click on it. Now you see plugin updated successfully. So click on it. Now go to Elementor editor and refresh the page. Now you see Elementor editor is loading after updating plugin. So our issue is fixed. So just replace and update your Elementor Pro plugin. So this is our Elementor home page. So click on it. So now you can edit, add or update Elementor page easily. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.